has always been abused. It has always been abused by those in power. It was abused during the colonial days. It was abused during Mzee Jomo Kenyatta's days. It was abused considerably during Mzee Moi's days. The only president I can put in a word in his favor is Mwai Kibaki. The criminal law was not abused during Mwai Kibaki's reign at all.
I think the statement is home, Dr. The statement is home.
Oh, thank you very much, Your Honor. Now, Your Honor, permit me to go a little bit further. It is now being abused by the executive, by agents of the state. They have now taken over the criminal law of the country. They are abusing it. The rule of law which we thought was improving is now in ICU. And Your Honor, I'm urging you very respectfully that you can only get out of this quagmire with boldness from the judiciary. Our judges have to be bold. Our magistrates have to be bold and state very clearly that the country will not be governed the way it is being governed at the present time. Your Honor, we live in this country. Every day I'm reading the Sun, I'm reading The Nation, I'm reading The Star, and I go even further to read any other newspapers outside this country. Clearly, Your Honor, what is emerging at the moment, that unless we arrest the situation, nobody will have confidence in the country. The country could easily be classified as a banana republic. If we lose the control of the courts of the country, if we lose the power that the courts have, Kenya can easily and very shortly be classified as a banana republic. No wonder that the president of Tanzania said the words that he said about our country. The country has gone down. And we need young people like yourself, Your Honor, who have got power, to see whether we can bring up and maintain the concept of rule of law in the country, the independence of the judiciary, and make sure that, if I may use the words, I may borrow the word of our president, that let the executive keep its own lane, not to get into other lanes at all. As currently, it is not doing so.